Sweet. Hi, I'm Gav. I'm from Sweet Design. This week's video is a couple of director's chairs which I picked up at an auction, and bit manky, bit rusty, bit stained. So what did I sort of like regenerated them into Batman and Robin chairs. Hopefully you enjoy it. I'll won't waffle on too much, so I'll do a little link. I'll do a little video, end it explaining how I made them. Well, how I did them up. Sweet, I'm back. Yeah, so you've just seen video of how I've got up to from where there was to how they are now, the Batman and Robin chairs. Try some new techniques. I've never dyed any material before, so messy work, that dyeing. It's, like I say, I bought the dye, then realised I needed to buy salt, which I didn't know you needed salt for it, so then I had to go back out and buy salt for it. It was messy, and like I say, if you spill it anyway, you took a while to get it out of you, to get it off you. So I tried that. The metalwork, the screws were so jammed on to the wood. I just could just not break them free. So I had to clean and polish the metalwork as they were actually on the chairs. In hindsight, I'd rather have took them off, then cleaned them all, then refitted them. But I'd have had to cut them all off. So the woodwork, I learned a few mistakes with that. I used some old gloss, and that took a long time to try and dry, and it just wasn't going. I think it must have gone off the paint or something, because I had to strip it all back, which took forever and a day. Then it had to be so then I sprayed it. When I was spraying it, it wasn't thick enough, and it was just taking forever. So I ended up buying a new tin of, but it's water-based gloss, which did a lot better. So I ended up having I had to paint it 3 times, the chairs. The transfer vinyl on the back of them, the Batman and Robin logos, it's just t-shirt vinyl, which I buy in, and it's just through my normal vinyl cutter, which just cut that, but you just cut that in reverse and heat press. So you just heat press it into position. I think that turned out right nice. I don't like a chair, I just wanted something a little bit different, just having Batman and Robin chairs. So I wanted a hint of sort of like a couple of villains, which, I mean, when I watched Batman series and stuff, it quite a lot of the time it were the Penguin and the Riddler. So I went with them too. So I went with the Penguins up one leg, and just then the Riddler's logo going up another leg on it, which I thought just made it look a little bit different, and to make it stand out a little bit, really. That's what I try and do. I try and make something stand out just a little bit, try and throw a little bit of a curveball into a build or something. Sometimes I do, sometimes I try and put something a little bit surprise or something. But that's pretty much it, really. Thank you for watching. I've got a few new subscribers, which I thank you very much for subscribing. But yeah, please like, dislike, comment. I get back to every comment. Share it, and carry on subscribing, and I'll see you next week. See you later, sweets. Bye.